welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. Today I am using the Naked 3 Mini by Urban Decay. I've used it once before and I liked it. I never got the original big one because my history with Urban Decay is that I'm allergic to their original formula. I can only use their vegetarian formula, whatever it's called, vegan. And it looks like this. We're going grocery shopping today. So I figured I'd just do a simple eye look. My base is already done. I have my new Soul Show. Looks like an all-over brush. I'm going to go into Glassy, which is right here, and put that all over my lid. I'm going to use my crease blending brush. I'm going to go into Laced Up. I really like this palette. It's very natural looking, that's why I like it. I'm going to take my little definer brush. I'm going to go into Right Time, which is right here, and put that in my outer V. I'm going to take my crease brush that had laced up on it and just going to blend. Then I'm going to take my BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy A505 for the shimmer. I'm going to go into Public, which is right here. And that looks good. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Yeah. And then I got a new blush. I have the Hour Ambient Lighting Blush in Diffused Heat. I'm going to try that out. Oh, I really like this. It's just a flush. And I'm not going to put anything on my lips because my lips are split because of the weather. I'm going to put on a highlighter though. My Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Glow. And that's it. That's my look. Like I said, that wasn't the first time of me using the palette. I really like it. I'm glad I purchased it. I think I need a stiffer brush with this Natasha Denona I Need a Nude. And I totally fell in love with this Diffused Heat blush. It picks up just the right amount of color. It's really beautiful. I may look into getting more of these. I like it so much. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Please hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. and I'll see you in my next video.